Hi guys, and welcome back into another video, and today we are going to be making granola. Yes, you heard it right. We are making granola just from the kitchen of our home. Yes, and to begin off with, these are the ingredients that we are going to be using in today's recipe. Right here we have pecans, not roasted yet, and then we have almonds, we have cinnamon powder, and we have half cup cooking oil, 1 cup honey, and we have 3 cups of oats. All right, so now to begin off with, we are going to pour the cooking oil into a bowl, and then followed by honey, and then we mix in cinnamon, and then we will stir this together. Make sure everything incorporates very well. Like that. Then up next, we are going to pour in our oats and mix well. Right, just like that. Up next, we are going to add in almonds and pecans, and we also mix this very well. Okay, so at the end of it all, you should be having something excuse me, should be having something like this. All right, so now we are going to transfer this onto our baking tray and bake this for 10 minutes on one side, and then we will remove it and put it back again 10 minutes, and then we will come in again with the next bunch of toppings that we feel like we can be able to incorporate into our granolas. There you go. We bake this for 10 minutes. In. Now we shake this like this. Is it shake? We turn them like so. And we take it back again for another 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes, the second round, and this is how it turned out. All right, on to the dressing of our granola. You can go in with any kind of dried whatever you have in your house. So for me, I'm going in with roasted pumpkin seeds. We have cranberries, we have dried golden raisins, and we have dried black raisins. So you can garnish this with anything that you have in your house. So we just do this. Sorry, excuse me, and we mix this up just like that. If you have shredded coconuts, you can also add them. Anything dried that you feel like you love to incorporate in this, you can always go ahead and add it to your mix. All right guys, so our granola has dried down, and you can see very nice and very crunchy. Let's see. So good. It's very nice. It's not as sweet, but I love it that way, because when you are serving, you'll always add honey to it. But if you make it very sweet, you'll not be able to sweeten it. So when it's on the lower side of sweetness, it's the best. Okay. So here we go. Okay. Right now we are going to store this in an airtight jar container, and then whenever someone feels like using this for anything, they always come and scoop. That. So. Yeah, so guys, you can always package your granola like this into an airtight container. So when you want to serve it, you can always serve it with yogurt, just as I've shown you in the video. So this is yogurt, and then I've topped it with granola on top. So it's good for healthy breakfast. So if you can make this for your family, and they are going to love the heavy breakfast, because it has all the nutrients that a child or an adult needs to kick start off the day. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for always tuning in. And remember, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and we will see you in the next video. Keep it locked at the Ondigos. Ciao.